Hello, my name is Keith Kuhn. I'm the collision instructor at Tennessee College of Applied Technology in Knoxville. I would like to welcome you to our virtual tour of our classroom and our shop area. Please pardon our dust because we are a working shop. We hope you enjoy the tour. As you can see, once we start getting some pressure on the frame machine, the tower starts leaning over pretty extensively. But we're going to go ahead and this gentleman's going to start releasing some pressure off the frame rail. As you get a little more pressure on it, watch your arm. Okay, now pressure relieve it. This is our welding station where our students practice welding. This is our oxyacetylene system that we use with the torch head, and this is one of our MIG welders. We have two gas-fed MIG welders in our classroom right now. What we're going to need with the industry the way it's going in the future, in 2015 Ford is using their F-150s with all aluminum bodies. So we're going to need to start teaching and training on aluminum repairs, and we have no aluminum welders to do this with. So it'll benefit my students to learn this trade, to get out in the shops and work their areas.
Thank you for considering us for this grant. We're looking for the aluminum welder to be beneficial to us because the new F-150 is coming out with full aluminum bodies. We'd appreciate the aluminum welder with the frame machine. We'd learn a lot through it.
Welcome to our tool storage area and material storage area. This is our basic tools for 22 students that we have. 2 air files, 3 DA sanders, a couple hand sanders. So you can see we're in dire need of additional tools in our school with the amount of students that we have to develop them for professional training. As we pan around the room here, you can see the limited supply of tools that we do have and the equipment we have in this here class. This is our old toolbox over here. And it's been here for several years. As you can see, the drawers are broken. It's an inexpensive toolbox, and it's not working well for us. So for professional development of our students, I think we need to have more quality tools and equipment in our shop. You know when you're ready. This is one of the vehicles that the students are working on. They've done actual replacement panels, replacing the bottom of the quarter panels, replacing the rocker panels, and the inner structure of this vehicle. So with our welding techniques and everything that we need in our shop to get their development where they need to be in the trade and get them professionally able to go out in the field and work, we actually need more equipment and tools and materials so that they can do these tasks that have to be performed. This is our spray booth area. It's a Garment spray booth, which is an exit spray booth. But as you can see, it's detached from our other building, so we got to come over here and do our work. Inside is where our students will train to do the paint work. They're actually in there painting the bed right at this time.
Thank you for considering our program for this grant. I believe all the students would benefit from additional tools, storage areas, and up-to-date equipment for training.
Today we'll talk about safety. What's the most important thing in safety in our shop areas that we do?
Safety glasses.
Safety glasses, air respirators, steel-toed shoes, proper uniforms, and today we'll be talking more about complete safety issues that we do have in our shops. The most important thing is to understand that we do have a dangerous work environment that we're in. So when we're in a dangerous work environment, we got to protect ourselves. How we're going to protect ourselves is by using our correct safety gear. You know, safety glasses when you're in the shop, nitrile gloves when you're working with chemicals, air protection when you're working with high-pitched noises such as grinders, safety-toed shoes, correct uniforms, having them tucked in. These are all safety issues.
Hello, My name is Patrick Wade, and I work at the Tennessee College of Applied Technology at Knoxville. On behalf of administration, we are super excited about receiving this grant. The Collision Repair Program offers individuals in our community the opportunity to gain high-quality training in the industry. Many times, students come to the Tennessee College of Applied Technology Knoxville for training that will allow them to use their hands in their career. Unfortunately, our institution is facing a budget cut. With this cut, we are not able to purchase the necessary equipment needed to match the industry standards. Our current frame machine needs to be replaced. Two issues arise with using outdated frame machines. One, it is becoming unsafe to use due to its age. Two, industry has moved well past this model, and our students have no chance to train on current models used in industry. Another piece of equipment needed is a Miller aluminum MIG welder. This welder can be used for low and high voltage welding. We currently do not have a high voltage capacity welder available for our students. The Snap-on tools and toolbox are needed for collision repair tool room. We are looking to grow our relationship with Snap-on that would include them as a preferred tool provider for our automotive programs. The frame machine, the MIG welder, and Snap-on tools will upgrade our student access to equipment that meets industry standards. It is our continued goal that each student leaves with the highest quality of training that's in line with the current industry demands.